Oh my fucking gods. Now people got to do a commentary on his minds. Well, let's watch the video.
Oh crap, here we go again. Another racist YouTuber and a YouTuber that does comedy on Wubsy.
Well, since you say I can't well, since you say that's me and do commenting on boxing, then you're right.
King Evil Angel. Another one. I will do a commentary on him soon. But first Wubsy has to give me a link to him so I can do a commentary.
Well, you do a commenting on this, my commentary, I am going to commenting back. Like Evil Angel April like say, commentary backs.
Well, Boris, Wubsy, and me, we are going to do a commentary on you, Evil King Pro.
Hey, are not Evil King Pro. And also, that bug that is so stupid. And besides, I King Evil Angel. No Evil King Pro. That name is so pathetic. And also, you to commented this on me, I commented you back. How should you like it?
You can rhyme, but you can't hide.
Well, now I'm going to do a fucking commentary back on this three motherfuckers. Wow. Just fucking wow. Wow. No fucking Serbs. I can't believe it this. This is getting on my fucking nuts. You know what? I'm gonna do a commentary back on Rough Without Plus. And hey guys, this is not a commentary I'm going to say. This is a reactions. Okay, this is my first reaction, you say. This is me signing off.